My name is Wade Ryberg, and I'm working at the Institute of Renewable Natural Resources, and I study amphibian and reptile biology and their conservation. What drew me to study amphibians and reptiles as a kid, I could go outside and catch them by hand. A lot of other animals you need traps and gear, but with amphibians and reptiles you just go outside and look for them. And something about having that animal in your hand, there's a connection there, and that's really what I think motivated me to go on and learn more about them and also keep them as pets sometimes. And eventually I went to college and learned even more and became, I guess, what you'd call a professional herpetologist. I like the Institute because one of the things I appreciate about science is the collaborative nature. I like working with others, and one thing I've found here at the Institute is there's a ton of smart people. If I have a question, there's something I can't do, I don't have to go very far to find somebody that is an expert. So I really love the collaborative nature, sense of community here. Everybody works well together, and I love it. Texas is a very big state. It has a diversity of habitats, and there are lots of different species of amphibians and reptiles that live in all those different kinds of habitats. So that's something that's unique about amphibians and reptiles in Texas. Also, Texas has a subtropical climate in the southern part of the state, and that means we get species that are found in Central America up in Texas, and they're found nowhere else in the United States. I brought one of those amphibian species in today that is only found in Texas and then down through all the way to Costa Rica. It's called the Mexican burrowing toad. So I found this guy a couple of years ago and I've kept him. It's a Mexican burrowing toad, so it's fossorial, so it lives underground. I have it in this reptile mulch. I'm gonna pull him out just so you guys can see him. The scientific name on this species is Rhinophrynus dorsalis. This guy likes the subtropics and dry forests and coastal plains. It eats termites. It comes out and feeds and reproduces during monsoon rain events in the summertime. And it has a call. This is a male. I've heard him call. We've been getting lots of rain in the area, and it's caused him to call even at home where I have him, and it sounds like wah, wah, and he's calling for females, right, to reproduce. And yeah, that's about it. He's threatened in the state of Texas by the Texas Parks and Wildlife Department, and I hope to study this guy more in the future.